Multiply 4150 by 12 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 2. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 5 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. 2 times 1 plus the carried 1 is 3. 2 times 4 is 8. The first partial product is 8,300. Now use the tens digit, 1. Start one place to the left. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. The second partial product is 41,500. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. The ones and tens columns each add to 0. Move right to left, one column at a time. In the hundreds column, 3 plus 5 is 8. In the thousands column, 8 plus 1 is 9. In the 10 negative thousands column, bring down 4. The whole negative number product is 49,800. So 4,150 times 12 is 49,800.